Now, some motorcyclists talk about chains, and we're not talking about the type that you get chained up in the bedroom with. We're talking about motorcycle chains here, folks. And this is a typical example of how one has been neglected and abused, as it's been obviously ridden on a dirt road and not been cleaned afterwards. Ipone came to the party with a chain cleaning kit for the channel. You get the chain cleaner. The good thing about this is the reason it's got such a long can.
I was just going to say, could they make the can any longer?
Yeah, well, half of it's full of air, mate, and half of it's product, because this blasts out apparently. So yeah, we're going to clean with the brush, the nice little chain brush, and then we use the Extreme Chain Lube.
Ooh.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Great day.
Beautiful day in the bay.
Chain cleaner. We'll give this a go, shall we?
Let's go.
I think what we're going to do is simply spray as we're turning. So we'll just we'll be able to see where we've gone. Oh, hang on. Got to pull this out, do we?
Oh, it's a safety thing.
Did anyone read the instructions? All the effort, the total. Right, what was this? Oh, yeah.
Oh.
Out there. Look at the gunk in here. What the hell? Now we get the chain brush. I think this is where we give it the old 1-2, isn't it? What do you reckon? Like that.
Actually, I think what I'm going to do is put the phone down. You're going to hold the brush and I'll turn the wheel. Let's just do that.
Okay. So what we're using here is a 3-sided bristle. And that is to keep this tire moving.
That's fantastic.
And it does all 3 sides. And I'm going to wipe with a rag.
So we've finished spraying on our cleaner.
Yep.
Do the brush now.
We used a whole can of that.
Whole can on both bikes. Over to the Suzuki.
Look at this.
Looking good. Oh, God.
Where? Oh, what's that?
Extreme Chain.
Designed for
The chain.
what type of chain?
A motorcycle chain.
Oh, you mean long life 800 Ks and no fling?
Zero fling, high tech grease, long life, 800k, zero fling. So you won't get flung.
Good.
Right, we'll have a look at this now. Clean them up with a special little brush.
Oh, it's looking nice, Jason. Well
Let's see
done.
what this does.
Okay, yeah, we'll give it a go. And you were there now. Oh no, a little bit more. So,
That's it.
what can you say? Someone's ran through a whole lot of cheese sauce on my motorbike.
This stuff is awesome. So we've sprayed on the oil and it's just great. No fling. You can see it sticking to it like something to a blanket. Well, that's it. Job done.
Yeah, mate, that seems to be it for now. You've got to tidy up the rims from the splatter. Horrible shite.
Well, I'm going to do my bike.
Look how shitty it looks. This is the problem though, you get this with the big jobs.
Alright, well on that note, that's how to clean and oil your chain with this new kit.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.